Hi guys, Guillermo is here. Welcome back to the Revit architectural training tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the mirror tool and all its features. Let's begin. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the mirror tool. It comes in two flavors, and we will take a look at both mirror tools. When you mirror an element in Revit, you need to use a plane as a reference. You can either draw this plane, or use an existing plane in the model such as the face or centerline of an existing element. I'll show you both methods in this tutorial. Let's first take a look at the method which utilizes an existing plane to form the mirror axis. First, select the object. Then go to the Modify menu, and click the Mirror, Pick Axis tool. You now simply have to pick an axis to act as a mirror plane. Notice how Revit will highlight in blue all the planes that can act as a mirror axis. There will be a time when you need to mirror elements in your model but you don't have a face or plane about what you can mirror. In these cases, you are going to have to define the plane yourself as part of the mirroring process. In these situations, we need to choose the Mirror Draw Axis option from the menu. As before, go ahead and select the object to be mirrored. Then go to the Modify menu, and click the Mirror Draw Axis tool. Revit now needs you to draw the axis you wish the element to be mirrored about. Now, you simply click a start and end point for your plane in the active view. As soon as you click the endpoint, the plane is defined and Revit can mirror the element accordingly. Just a final note on the mirroring process: when you select either of the mirror options, the options bar displays a copy checkbox. This allows you to mirror and copy the object at the same time. This option is turned on by default.